Yo guys, what's going on? So today we got another package for the Subaru STI, my project car, if you don't know. But yeah, got another box for it. If you read the title, you know what this is, but if you don't and you want to be surprised, here it is. So I already recorded this once and it didn't work. We're doing it again. So we got a lot of cardboard paper here. I got a crazy cat behind me, and she's probably gonna play with this and be really annoying, but whatever. Woo! So, package number one. We got a thing. That goes over there. Package number two, we got another thing, just opposite of thing one. And this is the main body of it. So if you guys don't already know, this is a rear diffuser for the 2002 to 2007 WRX STI and or thing. It is from Strafe design, so guys go check them out. They make awesome stuff because it's the first time I've actually ordered from them, and it's good build quality. Yeah, it's made out of aluminum. It looks like it is laser cut. All the holes are countersunk, which all your bolts and washers will sit flush, which is perfect. So there's two different designs that you can go for. You can go for the pointy box look that I did, more aggressive look, or you can go rounded corners. Also a glossy or matte version. I went with matte because my stiffies from Parent are matte and they will match. Yeah. Another thing, they include instructions. I don't know how well it is because I didn't read them, but no pictures. That's not a problem for you guys, because if you're going to follow this to install this, you don't need this piece of paper or whatnot, but I guess I do because I don't know what I'm doing. Got some decals from Straight Design as well, two of them. And you got some installation hardware as well. You got some big fat washers, got well nuts, and some bolts and some screws. So, it looks like they include everything that you need to install this. Yeah, let's get installing this right away. Okay. Alright guys, so we're back in the garage to install the diffuser here. So, what they say you need, obviously your diffuser, and then your installation hardware. You're also going to need a 1/2-inch drill bit, and probably a step bit like an 1/8 or something like that, something smaller, so you can drill like a pilot hole and then get your 1/2-inch going to accurately drill your hole. Sharpie, blue painter's tape to actually hold the middle section of the diffuser onto the bumper while you mark it out, because yes, you will be drilling into your bumper. It doesn't matter because the holes are going to be underneath and you'll never see them. So if you do ever decide to take this off, no problem. So also flathead screwdriver, 8mm socket, 11mm socket, and a ratchet, and a drill. So that's all you need apparently to install this. You may or may not have to jack up your car. Car's on stock suspension, so basically I'm on stock height. We'll see if I'll need to jack it up or not. Hopefully not. Fingers crossed. Yeah, if you're lowered, you're definitely gonna have to jack it up though. So, let's get installed. Okay, so, first part is to take one of your side pieces. So, you're actually gonna match the way the bumper goes. So it's gonna be pointing towards the center of the car. See, it's kind of tapered a little bit. So it's gonna be on the right side. So these holes are actually already in pre-drilled holes. So yeah, you can't see. Hold on. Okay, so under here you got this one pop clip here to take that off with a flathead screwdriver. So that's one of the holes you're going to be drilling into to make it larger, and also this hole as well. It's kind of a slotted hole, so basically you're just going to be drilling the end of it, because I lined it up and it lines up right to the end of that. So yeah, go ahead and do that. And we'll boop. Yeah,
Alright, so you can take your flathead screwdriver, or if you got pop clip removers, that'll be great. Get it in there. Don't worry if these break, they always break. So now you got an extra pop clip on hand. So basically how this system works is, so you got this lock nut or well nut, as some people call it. So it's basically a rubber piece that's gonna be inserted this way into the car. And then inside here, oh God, it's got threads, as you can see. So as you screw in your bolt, this is actually gonna compress and then expand and attach to your bumper, and it'll be so secure it won't even fall off. So it's actually a pretty nifty design. So, all right, so I got my 1/2 inch drill on there. I just measured, it ain't going to fit. So I'm gonna have to jack up the car, unfortunately. So yeah. Okay, so got the jack under there. The rear diff right there. Jack up onto that, and then if you want, you can put a block of wood under it just to soften the connection up. But start jacking her up. Yeah, so when you do this, make sure the car's in gear so don't roll away. Alright, I think that is a significant amount of clearance to get this done now, so I'll throw on some jacks on the side. Alright, so let's try this again. That pop clip is out, and then this hole here we're gonna enlarge in. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill those out. Hopefully you guys can see. That's sufficient enough. And then on this side, go to the far side of the bumper. Just enlarging it a little bit. Perfect. So now, just take 2 of your well nuts, throw them inside there. They'll fit, just like that. This one just is a little stubborn. There we go. And so in the kit, you got 2 different types of screws. You got a bolt, basically, and then a more aggressive threaded bolt. This is like a more screw type bolt. So what you're gonna do, grab 2 bolts, the flathead ones on the bottom. Line up your diffuser. Whoop, never mind, just kidding. Make sure you got these 2 giant washers as well. Throw that on there like that. And then thread it in to, it actually helps if you have it the right way as well. Don't fail like I did. So just thread it in by hand. Perfect. This guy. Thread into there as well. Alright, so now after that's done, what we're gonna do is just tighten her up. Alright, so you don't need these super tight, you just honestly need it snug. That's what I'm gonna do. Oh yeah, see, as you can tell, that's solid on there. Perfect. So, one side is done. As you can tell, this is actually very perpendicular to the car. This kind of has like an angle on it, more aggressive. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. And once I got that on, let's go ahead and do the middle, which is gonna be the harder part because there's no pre-drilled holes on the bumper there. So you're gonna have to line it up, center it, and then, yeah, drill your own holes. So, good to have a tape measure as well. If you don't have one, get one, cool. Okay, so, I had a mini freak out, honestly. So what I thought is this center piece for the diffuser actually went in the center, but as you can tell, it will hit the exhaust. But I looked on the website and basically the center is from this corner to this corner right in the middle. So I measured it out and I marked the center right there. And that center goes there, and then it's supposed to look like that. That makes a lot more sense. I almost returned it. I freaked out. But yeah, so once you found your center here and your center here, which mine is literally right there in the parent logo. So I'm just gonna line those two up, tape it to the bottom of my bumper, make sure it's square, and then we're gonna mark out all the holes, drill the holes, and screw it in. So let's go ahead. So I got those 4 holes marked out. I'm gonna find the center of those, and then we will start drilling. The easiest way I found is I just use my knees to keep her up so she doesn't fall. Just like that. So with this kit, there's a lot of leeway room with these holes, so you don't gotta be super accurate, which is always good. Now what I'm gonna do is these 2 holes, they're actually gonna be drilled into the what is it, the spare tire well. So don't worry, cause yeah, there's actually 2 layers in it. There's a bottom layer just to protect it, and then there's another inside layer in the trunk. So you're actually just gonna be going to the first layer, so don't worry about it, and you'll be good. Okay, coming under the car, you got these last 2 holes here. So once you push it up, it actually touches the spare tire well right there, but as you can tell, there's a huge gap right there. It's probably at least 2 or 3 inches that I need to get a bolt in. So obviously that's not gonna work. So what I'm thinking is, wherever it's touching, so pretty much here and here, I'm gonna self-tap a screw right into here and the bottom spare tire well. That's how it's gonna have to work for now, at least until I figure out a way. But yeah, there's a lot of work coming for this, don't worry. It's a work in progress. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna drill a self-tapper here. Doesn't find them. Here we go. So this thing right here, so basically that end right there drills through the middle, and then the rest of it threads into, and it'll stay. With these, don't over tighten them as well, because you'll strip it, and there goes your hole. So, a little bit of fabrication to get that done, but no problem. There. So, there's the rear diffuser all installed. Look at that. It looks so mean. We'll get some outside shots here, but yeah. You can still access your tow hook with my little poo there. Your exhaust clears. Oh man, that looks nasty. So let's go ahead and drop it down and show you guys how it looks. Yo guys, there we go. So I just quickly installed this rear diffuser on the STI here. So this is from Strafe Design, of course, because you guys watched the video. Yeah, it looks super aggressive here. Oh, it makes the car look so much better, so much aggressiveness added to the car, especially with the stiffies there. It kind of ties everything in, and yeah, it just definitely goes with it. So yeah, this is a quick install for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, and yeah, we'll see you in the next install video. Peace out.